Friends, this is Dr. Divya. Earlier we discussed about the initiation steps in replication of prokaryotes. So let's continue with the next step of elongation of replication of prokaryotes. So elongation. So in this phase, the synthesis of two new daughter strands takes place complementary to the template strand. DNA polymerase third is the enzyme that synthesizes the daughter strand. At this point, a primer is needed so that DNA polymerase third can begin to act. A primer is a short segment of RNA that provides 3' OH group to which a nucleotide can be added. So this phase is marked by the synthesis of leading strand and lagging strands. Leading strand is synthesized continuously at 5' to 3' direction along the direction of the movement of replication fork. Lagging strand synthesized discontinuously by loop formation in short segment called Okazaki fragment. So the lagging strand is looped so that DNA synthesis proceeds steadily on both the leading and lagging strand template at the same time, and the synthesis of Okazaki fragment on the lagging strand requires DNA B helicase and DNA G primase. So that constitute a functional unit in the replication complex that is known as primosomes. So of the two core subunits of DNA polymerase third, one of the core subunits cycle from one Okazaki fragment and to the next on the looped lagging strand. So DNA B helicase first unwinds the replication fork and next DNA primase then associate with DNA B helicase which synthesizes short RNA primer. So the clamp loading complex of DNA polymerase third loads a beta sliding clamps to the primer, and the primer is then extended by the DNA polymerase third which completes the synthesis of a one Okazaki fragment. So when synthesis of an Okazaki fragment has been completed, replication halts and the core subunits of DNA polymerase third dissociate from their sliding clamp and the form of the completed Okazaki fragment and associated with the new clamp. So this initiates a synthesis of a new Okazaki fragment. So when once a Okazaki fragment has been completed, then its RNA primer is removed and replaced with DNA by DNA polymerase first. So then the remaining nick is seized by DNA ligase, and DNA ligase catalyze the formation of phosphodiester bond. In these images, we can see this the direction of replication fork movement. Termination. So third last step of replication in prokaryotes is known as termination. So termination, what is termination? So replication of bacterial genome proceed bidirectional, which terminates at a position diametrically opposite to the origin of replication. So replication terminates at the terminus region containing multiple copies of a 20 base pair sequence called TER sequence. So TER sequence works as the binding site for protein TUSH, like terminus utilization substances, which stops the DNA B helicase, resulting in termination of DNA replication. So the completed chromosomes then partner into two daughter cells during cell division. So this diagram shows the like a DNA replication. These are the leading strand and leading strand template. The formation also like overall replication form like clamps, polymerase third dimer, helicase replication forms. These are showing the primer like single stranded DNA binding protein connected with the beta clamp, and the lagging strand template is connected with their polymerase first, filling with in a Okazaki fragment with the help of a polymerase first. So conclusions. So DNA replication is a semi-conservative with each existing strand serving as the template for the synthesis of a new strand. Replications begins at the proceed bidirectional from the point of origin. So one strand, the leading strand, synthesize is continuous. On the other strand, the lagging strand synthesize is discontinuous. So in short fragment called Okazaki fragment, which are subsequently get ligated by DNA ligase. So DNA polymerase third is the main replication enzyme. DNA polymerase first is responsible for special function during replication and repair. So TER sequence works as the binding site for protein TUSH, terminus utilization substances, which stop the DNA B helicase, resulting in termination of DNA replication. So thank you.